Hey folks, it's Bishopheals from the ECF Forums and host of Vape TV. How you guys doing over there, baby? Yo, I am here today because I got here the Nemi 26650. That's right, the Nemi 26650, baby. Woo! Boy, does she kick. Oh man, this thing is unbelievable. Totally unbelievable. I'm totally excited about this 26650 mod. Oh. I'm pumping it over here on the Magma, as you can see. But, oh man, this thing is a delight. This thing, oh, stainless steel, air vent holes on the cap. Oof-ah, I tell you. So, let's take a look at this. Oof-ah. Okay, so here it is. This is how it arrives. Ooh, I gotta give it to Atmomixani. He makes it so special. When you receive a Nemi, a product that he actually gives you, gives it to you in nice. Ooh, this is such a smooth material. Gorgeous, totally gorgeous. He also includes, well, he also includes an extra O-ring, okay, for the actual top. But let's take a look at this, okay? Now, he has here the actual logo. Let's see if I can actually zoom this up for you. There we go. That's the logo. He doesn't have anything engraved here. It's just here and here, which he has it set for Nemesis, and my serial number is 83. Okay, now let's take a look at this. This pretty much is pretty close to the regular Nemesis in design. The only difference is that this fits 26650. Okay, also he did a change on the actual top cap. Let me show you. See this? He added a little bit of a groove. Okay, and what that does is, on this cap, as you can see there, there's a little bit of a slit. So it actually pauses and stops exactly where these two dots are, because that's where the vent holes are. See that? There's the two vent holes. Okay, and then if you want to seal it and close it, you can actually extend it all the way to this end. Okay, so that's one of the changes, because on the regular Nemesis he doesn't have that. He does have, however, the air intake, but as you can see, I can't go any further past those 2 points, and I can slide it, and I can't go any further than that, and that pretty much locks it with no airflow. Okay. Now, the other thing, this is the same. We have silver-plated contacts. Okay, just like the previous model, and to actually work with this is quite simple. All what is needed to be done is that you take your atomizer and you can extend this out. Okay, screw it on. Okay, flush it. Okay, then tighten it. There we go. Now it's set. Okay, next thing, put that on the side, and let's look at the tube. Now this is all stainless steel. The switch and the locking mechanism is the same as the previous Nemi. As you can see, you have a ring that will totally extend out to lock it, so it will actually prevent it from firing. And let's look at the switch. Okay. So on the switch, we have something similar as the previous Nemi. We have this plastic cover, okay, which is very easy to remove and take off. It just snaps off just like that, okay, which exposes the whole entire contact, okay, of the battery, which is this. Now, you have 3 silver pins, okay, that's 1, that's 2, That's 3. Okay, which helps with the stability of this button. Okay, and it's springed. Okay, as you can see the spring in the inside. Okay, and to take this out, it's very simple. You just totally unfasten. Oops. You just unfasten this part, and what I actually did was I already tightened this, okay, with a pair of pliers, so I can get a little bit more of a hit. I totally recommend that. So if you want a little bit more volts on your battery, tighten this up. Just push this ring down like so, and then use a pair of pliers and just tighten it up. As you can see, all what I do is I push it down, and very nonchalantly I'm just loosening it up so I can actually show you. This is what it looks like. Okay, and there's the actual 3 pins. Okay, and the inside is what the inside looks. So you have one big spring, okay, and the 3 pins. Okay, then all what you do is you just line up one of the channels like so. See that? All what I did was I line up one of the channels, and it automatically measures out. So now I put this back. Screw this in. Now you can leave it hand tightened, but it's not. You're not gonna. If you really want to maximize the performance, believe me when I tell you, doing this is like it's a big plus. So all what you want to do is make sure that you can tighten this just a hair. There we go. So now I can't loosen it out by hand. Okay. Then I take the plastic, put it back on like so. See that? Quite simple, quite simple. Forget about it. Then I insert this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using key power. Okay. Now this right here, I got to tell you, ever since I received this battery, I've been testing it on 26650 mods. Being that the Sonys are no longer in business as far as making 26650s. So this right here outperforms the current Sonys. Okay, so I got to tell you that off the bat. It totally outperforms the MNKEs. Okay, I do not have the E-Fest. I still need to check this versus the E-Fest to see which one on the low drop that you could actually get the max amount of volts going from 0.25 ohms to 0.4 ohms. That's pretty much where I'm testing it to see on the load. So I'm going to be doing a video of that later on down the road. I'm still waiting for certain equipments to arrive so I can measure the numbers as I test it on the load. But as of now, as you can see, I'm putting in the battery, and these goes up to these batteries. They're very, very high in cell, like 50 amps, some even more. And really what we need to look at is not much in mods, because the mods, they kick in at 3.2 volts, and me and a lot of other people in the vaping community that vape sub-ohm, we really don't let the battery get to 3.2 volts, because by 3.8 volts, 3.7, we're already putting the battery in the charger, you know, so we don't really benefit out of the mods. We're just looking for the highest hit as possible on the voltage. But right now I have the battery in place, and to adjust it, you just keep screwing this in until it's a little tight, and that's it. Now it's actually set. So now we can actually vape on this. So that's pretty much that's up close and personal on 26650. So I'm going to be putting in the Magma on, and for the first, this is at 0.25 ohms. This is dual coils. And I'm going to be using classified Indulge. This is what I'm actually going to be using, which is 6-nick. I put in 10 drops. Let's give it a vape, baby. Oofa. Oh, man. Oh, magnifique, I tell you. This mod is excellent. Totally excellent, man. This goes up to the top 5s of the 26650 mods. Totally. If you're looking for a beast of a mod, I tell you, this is a great investment. Totally a great investment. I'm hoping down the road, oh man, I'm hoping down the road that Atmomixani makes a stellar, and I mean a stellar drip addy to match on the 26650 mod. This is delicious. Totally delicious. Well, I'm going to let you guys go because I'm going to be chain vaping and enjoying my ass off right now with this mod. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Live hard and vape hard. Forget about it.